next we have exercise 10.4, third question. He said reduce this to y is equal to mx plus c, that means slope intercept form. So root 3x plus y plus 1 is equal to 0. So we got y is equal to minus root 3x minus 1. That is, if you compare it with y is equal to mx plus c, then its m is equal to minus root 3 and its c is equal to minus 1. That is, y-intercept is minus 1 and inclination to x-axis, that means m is minus root 3, tan theta is minus root 3. Now how do you find theta? See, that is one concept. Now tan theta negative means either theta lies in second quadrant or in fourth quadrant. Theta angle of inclination is always in between 0 to 180. So it will lie in second quadrant only. Angle of inclination is always 0 to 180. So it will lie in second quadrant only. So in second quadrant, if you write this as tan 60, how to convert it in second quadrant? Concept is to change the quadrant, we will use either 180 degree angle or 360 degree angle. If you have to move to second, then 180 minus theta, and if you have to move to third, then 180 plus theta, and if you need to move to fourth, then 360 minus theta. First you need not to move, right? Then now we have to move to second quadrant as theta lies in second quadrant. So the concept is theta is 60, 180 minus theta. So you just write it tan 180 minus 60. Tan 60 is tan 180 minus 60. 180 means second quadrant, so your tan will be negative. So negative sign is there. So just remove this negative and change the quadrant. Now we got it tan 120. So we got our theta is equal to 120 degree. That is angle of inclination, and this is what is your y-intercept. Two answers he asked you. Right? Reduce this in intercept form first. 2x minus 7y plus 3 is equal to 0. 2x minus 7y plus 3 is equal to 0. Intercept form is x upon a plus y upon b is equal to 1. So we got it 2x minus 7y is equal to minus 3. Cross multiply this minus 3. And write x upon, this will be minus 3 by 2 if 2 will be here, and this is minus minus plus, y upon 3 by 7 is equal to 1. And he asks you for the intercept on the axis, that is x intercept a is minus 3 by 2 and b is 3 upon 7 are your intercepts on the axis. Just note it down.